Resume writing. What is a resume? A resume is a formal document that provides an overview of your professional qualifications, including your relevant work experience, skills, education, and notable accomplishments. Usually paired with a cover letter, a resume helps you demonstrate your abilities and convince employers you are qualified and hireable. The spelling of resume actually originates from French and means summary. To this day, the purpose of a resume is still to provide employers with a summary of your relevant qualification. If you are applying for a job, you need at least a resume to be considered for the position. On a base level, a resume is made up of the following five parts: contact detail, introduction, educational background, work history, relevant skills. Many job seekers resume that the purpose of a resume is to provide a full overview of their professional history. Instead, the goal of your resume is to convince employers you are worth interviewing. To that end, your resume is a valuable tool you can use to highlight your experience to prospective employers. If your resume provides a concise summary of your irrelevant qualification and skills in a format that make your ability to handle the work as clear as possible, you will get more interviews. Your resume should include the following sections: contact details. Include your first and last name, phone number, and email address. If and your mailing address if you want to prove you live near the place you are applying. Introduction: a concise overview of your professional background and a key qualification. Your introduction can be in the form of resume summary, professional profile, resume objective, or qualification summary. Education: include your school names, highest degree earned, and relevant coursework if you lack experience or it's related to the position. Experience: list any relevant work experience you have. Include your title, the company you worked for, years worked, and a bulleted list of your key responsibility and a notable success. Be sure to also include as many relevant accomplishments on your resume as possible. Skills: include any resume skills you possess that are relevant to the position. Be sure to use a strong mix of hard skill and soft skills to demonstrate that you are a well-rounded candidate. What are the different types of resume? The main type of resumes: first, chronological resume. A chronological resume opens with an introduction and then provide an overview of a professional history in reverse chronological order, meaning your most recently held position is listed at the top. The chronological resume format is the most common type of resume used for job seekers today and is suitable for candidates with a variety of different experience level. Next, functional resume. A functional resume is formatted to focus on your skills and abilities rather than your chronological work history. It is preferred by professionals who want to draw attention away from their traditional work experience, such as those who are changing career or have significant gap in their work history. While similar to other resume format, functional resume are unique a few key ways. The resume introduction and skill section are longer and more detailed than usual. The work experience section is de-emphasized. Targeted resume. A targeted resume is a resume tailored for each position you apply to. This means highlighting any highly relevant skill and experience you have and writing your resume to focus on these qualifications. To write a strong targeted resume, scan through the job listing for the position you want to fill. Typically, hiring managers include the skill, responsibilities, and traits that they want candidate to possess in the job description. Then highlighting these qualities on your resume to demonstrate that you are an ideal fit for the purpose. Combination resume. Combination resume is a format that combines the best aspect of a functional resume and chronological resume. While chronological resume focuses heavily on experience and functional resume emphasizes skills. A combination resume typically leverages both work history and skill equally to demonstrate your qualification. Combination resume are ideal for candidates who have extensive experience or a highly developed set of skills that they want to showcase. Thank you.